Hey everyone, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Accra Summit County Library. In this segment, I'm going to talk about sorting the data. When your data has increased in size, you may want to organize more systematically for easy retrieval. You can use the sort function to organize a list of information alphabetically, just like name columns alphabetical order, or numerically, such as lowest registration figure to highest registration figure. Let's say you wanted to sort just by a column. So let's say I wanted to sort this data just by the name column. So I can click anywhere on the name and I can go to data and I can choose either ascending A to Z or descending Z to A. If I choose A to Z descending, all of the other information across each row is kept together when that sort is applied. So now this data is sorted by the alphabetical by the column name. If you wanted to sort more than one column at a time, you can click anywhere on the data. Let's say I wanted to sort it by registration, then by the taxi fare. So just click anywhere on the data, not outside the data, it has to be on the data. Then you are going to choose this Z to A to Z sort function right there, not those individual ascending or descending, since you wanted to apply more than one level. You're going to click on that. Here, since we have sorted by the employee, just remember that we do not want by the employee, we want to by the registration value, smallest to the largest. Then we can add the level. The next level is by the, let's say taxi fare, value smallest to the largest, and you click on OK on that. So if you analyze this sorted data, the registration lowest come first, lowest of the taxi fare. In this next lowest level of registration, 200, 200, 200, but the taxi fare, the zero taxi fare come first, followed by the 35, followed by the 30. So that means this data is sorted by the registration lowest to the highest, then by the taxi fare lowest to the highest level. Last but not least is if you wanted to sort the data by the color. So then in this sample, we have the full payment are in green, bills are yellow, and red in overdue. So if I wanted to sort it by the color, I am going to select anywhere on the data. I'm going to click on this function again. Then I'm going to say sort by the payment, and I wanted to sort not on the value, I wanted to sort by the cell color. I wanted to sort by the cell color, and I wanted to have all those green payment on the top first. Then I'm going to add another level because I want green first, then by the billed, then by the overdue. So I'm going to add the level. I am still sorting the payment, not by the value, by the cell color. This time I'm going to choose the billed yellow. Then last, I'm going to add the color one more time again. Still the payment, I am sorting. This time again, cell color, this time the red. Now I'm going to click on OK on that. By doing so, all those full payment comes on the top, followed by the billed, and then lastly, overdue color come at the bottom. So that is how you would sort the data by the cell color. In the previous example, we sorted out by the more than one column, or we sorted by the single column. That is all about sort today, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.